I remain Mr. Emmanuel. Look, I'm showing us how you can withdraw from Ubitex Exchange to any other exchange. So once you are in the account, this is how it looks like. You come to asset. From asset, you check whatever you want to withdraw. For here, we are withdrawing 53 USDT. I am withdrawing 53 USDT. So tap on withdraw. Click on this withdraw. Now click on click on USDT. You click on USDT. Come and select on chain. If you want to transfer to another person on Ubitex, you can use the person Ubitex ID. If not, you come on chain transfer. Tap on chain transfer. Then on chain transfer or internal transfer, I'm going for on chain transfer. I want to withdraw to using a wallet. When they say on chain transfer, meaning you are withdrawing through a wallet, not through somebody's email address or user ID. So I'm waiting for it to load. It's loading here. So after it has loaded, I'll come and check network. Which one is cheaper here? Which one is faster to withdraw from? So Solana is fee $1. Arbitrum is 0.7. Optimism is 0.4. Polygon is 0.2. Ton is 0.3. BNB is 0.33. Tron is Tron is $1. Ethereum is $5. Ethereum people $5. So you can see this is what I used to do. I'm teaching this for free. I give you this for free. This is what you pay to learn, but I give you for free. So if you find value, subscribe, share, like, and send to your friends. That's all I'm looking for. Just subscribe and share. Then I will check this 0.2. This 2.1.4 cents. I'm going to use the cheapest. The cheapest here is Optimism 1.4. I guess let me cross check. Yes, Optimism is 1.4. So I will now select Optimism. I will now go to the exchange I want to deposit it to. I want to deposit to Bybit, and this is the Bybit here. I'll now click on deposit on Bybit. This is deposit. Now deposit crypto. And depositing what? USDT. So see the another search, you search for the network. This is Optimism network. Here it's called OP. OP means optimism. I'll tap on optimism. Copy. Okay, notice, please confirm that you are depositing USDT to this address on the Optimism mainnet network. Mismatch address information may result in the permanent loss of your asset. So this is what you need to know. If you copy a wrong address, it's permanently lost till judgment day. So tap on OK. So you copy on this what address? This is the address for USDT Optimism network. Click on this, then minimize. Come back to Ubitex Exchange. Can you see these are two exchanges? So Ubitex and it's a full exchange. Can you see there's interaction? Now paste the address here. That is it. That is it. Now the amount, we have 53. If I was drawing 30, you put 30. If I was drawing all, click all, and then click on withdraw. Then submit. Verification. You go to email. The email you use for this account, you click on send code. Now minimize, go to your email. So this is a code here in the email. I'm going to highlight the code, highlight and copy. Yep, it's copying with is, without letter is. Remember, so if I paste it here, I have to remove. Okay, let me paste it somewhere and edit the email. So I've copied the correct one. This is it, because it added with IS. I have to go ahead and remove the IS. They click on submit. Withdrawal, processing withdrawal. You can view the history here if you want. Tap on view history. It's loading. So the withdrawal here is showing failed, and I checked why. I was told that the main network I used to deposit before, I used it to withdraw. So what I used before to deposit was Binance Smart Chain. So let me use the Binance Smart Chain. Go to Bybit. In Bybit, I copy BIP20. That was what I used before to deposit. Then click on BIP20, minimize, paste, and click on withdraw, confirm. I'm going again for a second time. So click on send email. Email has been sent, so I minimize. I go fast to the email address. So as if the email come to spam, so I'll copy it again, and 655490, 655490, 655490, 655490, confirm, submit. So it's processing too. Let's check. So having used BIP20, and I check on the transaction record is showing in progress. Remember the first one showed failed because I use a new network that I never used before. So every exchange has its own regulations. So I use optimism to withdraw, which I never used to deposit. Before I deposited with BIP20 network and Ton network and Polygon. So I'm using BIP20 showing in progress, which means that hopefully it will drop, which I believe, because you need to take some confirmations. It's about 15 confirmations for BIP20 network. As I tap on that progress, this is where it brought me to. For me, I can check the name of the asset, the withdrawal, the transfer network, the confirmations, the wallet address to confirm whether I made the right, whether I paid the right address, the withdrawal amount, the fee charge, the date, the time, the seconds. This is blockchain for you. Everything is captured. So you cannot easily manipulate blockchain or come and do corruption. I see whether I can save the address. The address is, I may not save it for now. So as it's showing progress, let me go to where I withdraw it to confirm. So I minimize, go to Bybit. Yeah, this is it here. If I tap on it on the history, okay, this is it. Finally, it has dropped here. And I've done a video in this Bybit now. I can do P2P on how to sell it. So I also done a video on how you can sell if you want to get cash. So you can subscribe to this channel or comment in the comment section. Let me send the video to you. It's there, or you can watch to the end and see the video. You can also watch it. Check top here to where I can do P2P on Bybit. So thank you for watching, and let's continue to meet at the top of success.